ArcPy! When you're sick of running tools manually, you know, automation can lend a hand. So let me show you the copy Python command. After you've ran a tool manually, click on Open History. We have our geoprocessing history. You can right click on the tool of choice and select Copy Python command. Cheat code activated! You can open up your favorite Python interpreter or the Python window in ArcGIS Pro and paste in. And look at that! Boom! We could use this code as is in the script, or we could alter some of the parameters, especially the spatial reference one. This is an added little tip here. I'm going to hit shift and go to the end and delete that and put in 2157. That is the code for the Irish transverse Mercator. We do not need that WKT string. Wow, thanks for that, buddy. That's going to save me a shitload of time. No problem. I hope you enjoyed your slice of ArcPy.